Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the unboxing and review of this OTG pen drive for Android smartphone or Android devices. So this is USB 3.2 generation pen drive with Type-C connector. Before I thought of purchasing this SanDisk Lux pen drive, so I thought let's try this HP pen drive. So let's get started. And this is the pen drive. Let's check this product, if this product is original or not, in this website pny.com.tw. Nice. Product authentication, how to verify product. So you have to click here, check here. Now here is written, please input the anti-forget code. Here in the scratch, so this is the code. So I have written the scratch code number here. Now check if this product is original or not. Here it is written, if fake code check center, here verify the code is valid, means the code is valid, thank you for verification, means this product is original. Now check. Now let's unbox this. So this product cost me 1250 rupees. Here it is 2500, but from Amazon I have purchased this in 1250. So this is the product. So this is Type-C. Type-C connector, and this is pen drive. You can also use this as an adapter, Type-C adapter. So this teal color represent 3.2 USB 3.2 generation. So let's check if this product support my mobile. Here, HP USB drive, explore, here it is written through 200 MB per second transfer speed. So let's try. So now I am going to transfer this 1 GB data video, 1 GB data video to this USB storage and check the speed. So the file is transferred. Now I will transfer the same file to the internal storage. So the file is copied and it's quite hot after transfer of 1 GB data. So this is the quick review of this pen drive. You can also use this as a backup for your smartphone. Right now this device is only available in Amazon. So that is guys for this video. Hope you like this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.